Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have one of our pre-owned 2019 Acura TLX. Really cool looking vehicle. Definitely a very luxurious car. Great amount of seat space in the rear. Good amount of headroom too. This one has the 2.4 liter inline 4. Wow, this spec is really nice. This white with the beige leather is beautiful. I'll leave that. There we go. I'm trying to think what's better for lighting. Aha! They are sliding. Very nice. Looks like this car came from South Carolina originally. Aha, there it is. All right. This one brand new was $33,995. Not bad at all. So this has the 206 horsepower VTEC 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 8-speed dual clutch. I really like that transmission, and all-wheel steering. Huh, I didn't know they came with all-wheel steer. This one also does have the paddle shifters. Only options this one has, well, actually doesn't have any options. This one's pretty much as they came for a total price of the $33,995. Cool. But let me see the all-wheel steering. See if I can get that in action. That's sort of, I don't know, that's kind of weird, but I mean, to be completely honest, it's only active, well, it's only a couple degrees, but yeah, that turning circle is impressive. So that's what the rear wheel steer is for. This dual clutch is a fantastic unit. Also have a bunch of different dynamic modes: Econ, Normal, Sport, last but not least Sport Plus. This is a really nice car. Of course, for those of you that don't know, Acura is Honda's... Why do you do that? Acura is Honda's luxury brand, like Lexus is to Toyota. not bad at all. I have driven one car on the racetrack with rear wheel steering, being the Porsche 911 GT3, and it's kind of funky at first, but I like it. Oh yeah, I can feel it now. It's one of those things where you kind of have to be in the car to notice. But just the way it turns in and rotates the corner, you can tell when it is rear wheel steer or not. This dual clutch is absolutely fantastic. They could have just went with Honda's CVT, but I'm so glad they didn't. It adds a whole new level to this car. As stated before, this does have a Honda motor with variable valve timing, VTEC, as the internet has known to come and love. Essentially what happens is, it's different with every motor. It's tuned a little bit different. This one, at 5K, a second cam activates and adds a bit more power. And it's actually very easy to tell when it comes on cam. So if you listen closely, you'll hear when it hits 5K, the note change. It's very discernible in person. Not sure how the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's very easy to tell in person. Overall ride comfort, the seats are absolutely phenomenal. Super comfortable, super soft and supple. Really, really nice. Visibility is fantastic as well. No real blind spots. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can definitely feel the rear wheel steering in action there. This is actually a superb handling vehicle. Definitely one of the better handling sedans I've ever driven. over the suspension test area. Nice and composed, no rattles. Very, very nice. Wow. Absolutely fantastic car. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.